If you reimagined a world where humans were invaded by giant hyenas 100 times their size, the key to human survival would lie in crafting ingenious strategies that leverage guerrilla tactics, urban camouflage, and advanced technology to outsmart the beasts at every turn. In this fierce conflict, humans would utilize their environment strategically, employing traps designed to exploit the hyena's size while coordinating attacks from multiple fronts to distract and divide their powerful foes. To turn the tide of battle, humans would rely on innovative sound technology that could bewilder the hyenas, creating openings for surprise attacks that capitalize on the predator's momentary disorientation. As the war escalates, humans would formulate detailed strategies based on real-time intelligence, launching coordinated assaults designed not only to weaken the hyenas but to maintain morale among the defenders. In the heat of battle, with chaos all around, humans would exhibit remarkable courage and resourcefulness, adapting their tactics in real time to counter the relentless assaults of the giant hyenas, proving that unity and innovation can prevail against even the most formidable challenges. As the tides began to shift, the indomitable spirit of humanity would shine through, fostering a sense of camaraderie and resilience that would empower individuals to confront their fears and unite against the looming threat posed by the giant hyenas. By employing clever diversion strategies, humans would not only protect their settlements but also create opportunities for surprise attacks, proving that through ingenuity and teamwork they could turn the tide against their colossal adversaries. In the pursuit of victory, innovators and engineers would emerge as unsung heroes, developing cutting-edge weapons and defenses that would enhance the human ability to combat the overwhelming forces of the giant hyenas. As community leaders emerged, fostering discussions and strategizing together, it became clear that the strength of humanity resided not just in their technology, but in their unity and shared purpose amidst the looming threat of the giant hyenas.